Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the 5 new best Amazon home gadgets finds this month that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video.
Number 1. The GILXW Target Alarm Clock is a sleek and modern addition to any bedroom or office space. The alarm clock features a minimalist design with a vibrant color that adds a pop of style to your decor. Made from high-quality plastic, this alarm clock is durable and lightweight, weighing only 200 grams. One of the standout features of the GILXW Target Alarm Clock is its accuracy and reliability. It is designed to wake you up at the set time without fail, ensuring you start your day on the right note. The alarm sound is loud enough to grab your attention without being jarring, making sure you don't oversleep. In addition to its alarm function, this alarm clock also displays the time clearly with bright LED numbers, making it easy to read even in the dark. The compact size of the clock makes it ideal for small spaces or travel. Overall, the GILXW Target Alarm Clock is a practical and stylish addition to any room. With its reliable performance, easy-to-read display, and sleek design.
Number 2. The Weather Radio Rainic Solar Hand Crank. Emergency radio offers a reliable and versatile solution for staying connected and informed during emergencies or outdoor adventures. With a sleek black design and LCD display, this radio combines style with functionality. One of the standout features of the Rainic Weather Radio is its multiple power sources, including corded electric, solar, rechargeable battery, hand crank, and ADA battery options. This ensures that you will always have a way to power the radio, even in the most challenging situations. The radio supports AM, FM, SW, NOAA tuner technology, allowing you to access a wide range of radio bands and receive important weather alerts. The included owner's manual makes it easy to navigate the various functions and settings of the radio. Measuring at 6.8 L into 3.7 W into 2.9 H, the Rainic Weather Radio is portable and easy to carry, making it an essential companion for camping, hiking, or emergency preparedness kits.
Number 3. The Better Living Products 72350 Clear Choice. 3-chamber shower dispenser is a stylish and functional addition to any bathroom. This dispenser with a white color and square shape offers convenience and elegance in one package. Made with high-quality materials like vinyl resin and silicone, this dispenser is not only durable but also easy to clean and maintain. Measuring at 7L into 3W into 8H, it fits perfectly in most shower spaces without being obtrusive. The 3-chamber design allows you to conveniently store and dispense your favorite shower products in one place, reducing clutter and making your daily routine more efficient. Whether it's shampoo, conditioner, or body wash, this dispenser can accommodate all your needs. Installation is a breeze with the included hardware, and the clear chambers make it easy to see when a refill is needed. Say goodbye to messy bottles and hello to a neat and organized shower with the Better Living products. 72350 Clear Choice 3-chamber shower dispenser.
Number 4. This Bento Heaven Premium. Bento Box is a sophisticated lunchbox designed to cater to the needs of both adults and kids aged 12 years and older. Crafted with food-grade certified polypropylene, this Bento Box ensures safety while being 100% recyclable, appealing to environmentally conscious individuals. With its outer space color theme and modern, stylish design featuring elegant pastel colors, the Bento Heaven Premium Bento Box exudes a trendy appeal perfect for any setting, whether it be at school or in the office. One of the standout features of this Bento Box is its practicality. The box comes with microwave-safe compartments, a divider to separate different types of food, a full set of cutlery, chopsticks, and a sauce cup. This comprehensive set allows users to conveniently pack a variety of meals without the hassle of carrying multiple containers. Moreover, the box has a generous capacity of 1,200 milliliters, providing ample space to store a satisfying meal.
Number 5. The Roving Cove Corner Protector in color Onyx. Black is a quality product designed to provide optimal protection for furniture and corners within your home. Manufactured by the reputable brand Roving Cove, this corner protector is crafted from foam, nitrile foam, and rubber materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. With product dimensions of 2.2 inches in length, 2.2 inches in width and 1.2 inches in thickness, the roving cove corner protector is suitable for various furniture types and corner sizes. This versatility makes it a practical solution for homes with different furniture styles and layouts. The recommended uses for this product: